Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can make an N8n account step by step. So first, when you're in Chrome, you can just go to the search bar and type in N8n, and when you're here, you're gonna click on the first link right here. Alright, so this page will pop up, and what you wanna do is you need to click on get started for free. Once you're here, you're gonna be typing your full name, your company email, confirm that email, password, and your account name with the .app.n8n.cloud. So I'm gonna type mine real quick. Okay, so I've typed in my details, and I'm just gonna go to click on the start free 14-day trial. So after that, it'll tell you to fill these questions up. I'm just gonna keep filling until it's done. Okay, so after you've answered all those questions, you can actually invite your team members to your workspace. You can just type in their email address and you can click invite. But for now, I'm just gonna click skip. And as you can see, your workspace is now online, and you can just click on start automating. And there you go, now your N8n is ready and you can use it now. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.